The first 60 seconds of any meeting quietly decide how the entire room sees you. Rambling, stalling, or opening with an apology can undo minutes of preparation in seconds. But a strong, structured opening can make you sound confident and in control, even before you've said anything of real substance yet. Here's exactly how to use those first 60 seconds. Well, here's what's actually happening in that opening moment. People form an impression of your competence almost immediately, and that impression colors how they listen to everything you say afterward. If you open by stumbling, apologizing, or trailing off, the room subconsciously lowers its expectations for the rest of what you say, even if the actual content is strong. The opening isn't just an introduction. It's setting the frame for how you'll be heard. This is the before state, an unstructured opening filled with hesitation, filler words, or unnecessary apologies, wobbling from the very first sentence. Whatever comes next has to work twice as hard to recover the room's attention. Here's how to build an opening that holds steady from the first word. Step 1. State the purpose immediately. Start with exactly why the meeting matters. Today, we're deciding on X, instead of easing in slowly. This instantly signals direction and control. Step 2. Preview the structure in one sentence. Something like, I'll cover 3 points, then we'll open it up for questions, gives the room a clear map, and clear maps rate as confidence. Step 3. Skip the apology, even if you're nervous. Phrases like, sorry, I know this is short notice, undercut you before you've even started. Replace them with a neutral, direct, opening line instead. This is the after. The same meeting. The same nerves even. But now the first 60 seconds carry structure and purpose instead of hesitation. That structural steadiness is what reads as authority, not confidence you don't yet feel. Try this today. Before your next meeting, write down your first sentence in advance, stating the purpose directly. If this helped, subscribe. Simba Eduzone posts a new English mindset video every week.